True Classic just dropped their Pima Tees, and I had to get on here and make this video as soon as my package got delivered. Special side note, True Classic is not sponsoring or paying me anything for this video. I purchased these tees with my own money, and they don't know that I'm making this review video. So of course, I'm going to give you my honest take on what I think about, their tees, as well as, briefly go over a few things that I think, the consumer should be aware of, and do a little bit of a, comparison against the original True Classic tee. So first impression, I automatically knew this was a Pima t-shirt just by feeling it, the texture of it. It's super smooth and cool to the touch. I can differentiate a Pima tee from like a whole stack of t-shirts blindly these days because I have I have a good amount of Pima t-shirts from Robert Barricade, and these feel exactly like it. It's 100% Pima cotton. It's not a Pima cotton spandex blend or a cheap fiber blend. And that's what I was expecting at first, because I think these go for about like $39 or so. So I was expecting like a blend of Pima. Now, some of you may be asking, what is so special about, Pima cotton? Well, for one, they have much longer fibers compared to traditional cotton, which results in a much softer and smoother finish, as well as like more resistance to peeling, fraying, and just tearing. Now, hopefully the camera picks this up, but by looking at it side by side, you would notice that the original, True Classic tee, let me reach for it. So here we go. The original True Classic tee has more of a brushed finish, whereas the Pima tee is completely smooth, slightly shinier, and has a bit more of like color vibrancy. And that's like another thing about, Pima cotton. It picks up more vibrancy during the dyeing process, and it retains its color through multiple washes. And once again, I hope you can see this through the camera. It's difficult to catch, but for you to see the smooth finish and vibrancy of a Pima tee, I pulled out one of my, Robert Barricade t-shirts that is in like this light orange. Now you can see a bit of that sheen and smoothness under that lighting. But yeah, anyways, let's talk about the fit. Now, I feel these run a bit bigger and longer compared to the original True Classic tee. I think I could have gone with a medium, to be honest. I'll leave a flat lay measurement of a size large for you to use as a reference guide. But I'm hoping a gentle dry cycle will shrink this enough to fit closer to my body. But overall, it's still wearable. It's not like I'm swimming in it. Pricing. So a single Pima tee retails for $39.99 without a sale or discount code added. So it's more affordable than the competition out there right now currently. Now, I believe Robert Barricade tees go for about like 70 to 80 bucks per tee. And if you shopped at True Classic before, you would know that you get like a deeper discount if you buy, your tees in packs. I only bought two. I only bought two just to inspect the quality because I wasn't too sure about it. But I could see myself ordering more, spring and summer colors in the future, especially for the price. Now, if you watched my past video reviews on True Classic, you would know where I stand with the original tee. These are more of like a casual lounging or weekend warrior kind of tee. It's by no means a like premium luxury tee compared to other brands, but the Pima tees go into like the dressy slash premium tee category now. Like this is a t-shirt you can actually dress up with a pair of, trousers or a suit like I did in my recent shorts video that I'll post somewhere here. And yeah, I'm honestly really impressed with these t-shirts. I'll make sure to keep you guys up to date on like if how well they hold up like the other stuff from True Classic. If you guys are interested, I'll make sure to leave a link down in the description below for you guys to get 15 to 20% off at checkout. And also make sure to stay up to date on like the sales so you can stack up the savings. But yeah, that wraps up this review. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.